Today we will show how to install Sqlite database in Windows OS. So for download the Sqlite database, write down here Sqlite download. Go to Sqlite official page, and from here you can find the precompiled binaries for Windows. Depending on your OS, you can download your binaries. Like my one is 64-bit Windows, so I'm downloading this one. If your OS is 32-bit, you can download this thing. So after download, you will get like this. I'll show you here. So you will get like SQLite things. Okay, so I'll show you here after download what you will get. So click here, it is downloading. So download it complete. So open up here, copy, and then let's create a new folder here so that we can go and can create. So I have already created one folder. Paste it. So unzip now. After unzip, you will find this. Okay. So I have already unzipped and I have already SQLite folder in my C drive. So this is my SQLite exe, dev, and dll. Okay. So now after this, what you need to go, you need to set up the environment variable. This is not mandatory, so but it is good to have a environment variable so that if your database is in any folder in your OS, you can still access the database. So I'll show you how to set up the environment variable. But before set up the environment variable, I can show you, if you don't set up the environment variable, how you can access the database. So now right click here, cmd, run, and then go here and then just go to this folder and click help is not, so just write down SQLite. I have some database in this folder, .tv, so SQLite 3 .tv. Now if you click help, it is showing you. So but sometimes your database is not here, sometimes your database in D drive or any other folder. So to access those folder, it is good to have environment variable. To set up the environment variable, it is very easy. Now go to your this PC or my account, right click here, go to properties. In Windows 10 you will get advanced system settings, go here and then click here environment variables, and then you can make a user variable or system variable. I have created a user variable. Click new here and put your path, which is C drive and then SQLite. Okay, and this is SQ, whatever the variable name you want to, SQLite 3. I'm not saving this one because I have already saved. So I have this thing. Now if you have your database in any other folder, you can access it. So I can show you how you can access this. So go to the folder Sqlite, copy this database and just go to any other folder where it is here, and then copy this thing, go to command prompt. So I'm creating a new command, opening new command prompt, md, to remove confusion, cd, paste the folder path. Now if you write down here SQLite3 db, it will, now just run any command, tables will show you all the tables. Now run select all from country, it will give you the list of country. It is easy. Thank you for watching.